My name's Joe. I'm an engineering specialist in the aerospace industry, and I would rate CATIA a 5 out of 5. In the past, I've used Pro Engineer and SolidWorks before switching to CATIA. I like the user interface of CATIA better than the previous products. We chose CATIA because of its widespread use in the aerospace industry, its ease of use for inexperienced users, and its powerful surface modeling. Onboarding CATIA is really a seamless process. The IT infrastructure is easy to get set up, and there's so much online training available for free. Getting users up to speed is a quick process. For those considering CATIA, I would recommend that in addition to considering the cost, think about what your end users use, what your colleagues use, what maybe your machine shop uses. CATIA is so widespread that while it is expensive, there could be tremendous savings and efficiencies by using it since everyone else does.